Woburn Flashlight E7. This is not a flashlight, this is a Woburn ECL, 1800 lumen, 1100 mAh, type C. So lightweight, easy carry light. Okay, let's see what we pull. Beautiful. Okay, that's a great packaging. What else is in here? Okay, probably cord and stuff. Let's see how this opens. Okay, I need something. There it is. So yeah, it comes with a USBC cord, coiled, nice. And it comes with the strap, optional. Okay, let's see. Please remove the battery, safety. Ooh, this is cool, magnetic. Comes with this Woburn battery. I really love that, like, rigidity. Flashlight, square. Okay, there's a light. Press and hold. Nope. There is different options. Now press and hold, and it will change. There it is. And it has memories on and off. Press and hold, it will change the light. So it has the battery, magnet. Let's see how strong that is. Oh wow, very strong. Yeah, I like it. Okay, it says might get hot on maximum, and the charging is right here, USB-C. Wow, that is cool, with two lights over here on it. Very interesting, unique little flashlight. Let's zoom in on it a little bit. Wow, I love it. Has a nice clip and everything. So it could be going onto like a backpack strap, so the light will be onto a backpack strap. CRT component. So this is actually a carabiner or a clip. Oh, this is twists, pretty cool. So hook up keys, whatever. And the knife is right here. First lock and a second lock. Pretty comfortable. Cut open boxes this way or this way. I'd say a little bit more comfortable that way. Pretty small, so perfect for everyday use. Interesting. Second locking right here. And a carabiner. Okay, there should be markings. It's 9082, the model number. Serial criteria right here. Bond Design. That's a designer name. Very beautiful design. I like that one. Pocket size duct tape, ready to go anywhere. It'll fit pocket. Let's see. So there's insert inside of it. Yeah, there it is. Really good duct tape. Let's take off a piece, see what it feels like. Oh yeah, that looks like a real duct tape, and a lot of it. Yeah. Let's see if we can take off a piece this way. Oh no, not this way. But yeah, rips off really easily. One more time. Yeah, that's a stone duct tape. Usually a lot of times I can rip this duct tape off like sideways right here. Not this one, only this way right here. Very durable, very sticky duct tape for sure. So now I can use up the rest or fit easily a pocket anywhere. Very cool. Got right here another Gerber Multitool. Okay, Let's unbox it. Comes with a couple of nice zip ties, so to me it would be easy to unbox it this way. Okay, that is multi-tool, pocket size, as big as my finger, thickness wise too. Okay, so what we get: screwdriver with Allen head, flathead and Phillips head. That's what I meant. Okay, what else? On this side we have a knife, and a couple of other things. A saw, like a punch tool, like sharp edge. Okay, and down here a bottle opener. That is so cool and unique. Let's close everything. Okay, there's a liner lock on it. No, just locks this way, and there's a bottle opener on the bottom of it that is just slides in too. That is kind of locks in and clips back in. That is cool. I like it. And a clip to put it onto a pocket. Very cool. Victorinox Swiss Army knife. Beautiful. So it is pretty thick one with a ton of tools on it, the dust on it. We got a black one. There's so many ways to use this tool right here. Multi-tool. A little screwdriver. So it goes back on this way. Okay, real quickly. Knife. There's a nail pull. Another knife. It says Officer Susie. I think that's what it says. Okay, there's a magnifying glass. There's a screwdriver. This is a can opener. Phillips head screwdriver. Air glass screwdriver. Let's see. No, this is a screwdriver and bottle opener. Phillips head. Ooh, what is this? I'm curious. Looks big. Okay, on this side, not a lot. Looks like a keychain holder. There might be something over here. Kinda hard to pull on those things. That is. Oh, not too bad. Another little tool. Very cool. And there's a tool right here. Oh, I need the bigger nails. So let's close a couple of these things and open up some other tools, so that way it's easier to open them. Okay, let's see. On this one I'd have to pull on that. Wow, the pliers. That is cool. Okay, that's almost kind of like a first for me to see such a cool tool. And the scissors. Okay, that's really big. And on the other side looks like we have pliers and so on. There's a knife. Let's see, it will be a little bit easier to pull this out. There's a knife. No, just a file. And I think we pretty much went to everything. There's what is it, a ruler? It's non-sharp. Yeah, that's it. That's pretty much everything. Very cool. Very thick Swiss Army knife. I like it. There's a candle lantern kit by UCO. There's the candles, and this is long-lasting candles. Cool. So let's see. I think it pulls out like that with the glass, and what it is, it can be hung, it could be standing. There's the air will go through, and it will protect from the wind and stuff. But there's a indicator where the candle is and how much it have burned off. right here or here, because it has a really long spring, and to replace the candle it will just go into here and put a new candle, and it will just keep pushing it up to the top till it's all the way out. Simple as that. And it locks in very easily right here. Where is it? Why can I find it? There it is. Locked it in. And it locks in very easily. Lock it in. Lock it. Push it. Boom. Love it. Emergency roadside LED flare kit. So two over here. Okay, comes with the hard case. Cool. Okay, there's the little stands. Beautiful. Oh, nice. Comes with a pack of batteries. Okay, I have a couple batteries right here, so I don't have to open it too fast. Okay, ooh, it's magnetic. I like it. So this right here, magnet. Okay, let's see how many it takes. 3 AAA batteries. Very simple. I like it that it's they detached. Okay. Okay, there's an on and off button. There it is. Different colors, and there's an even flashlight. Wow. So 3 moods. I'll just have it on that one. Ooh, and it's magnet. It could be like, it's magnetic to this side here, but it could be magnetized to a car, to anything, or it could be used like a little stick. That is so cool. Or a flashlight. I really like this little flare. Really bright too. Let's shut off the light. Look at that. In the complete darkness, very bright. And the flashlight in the complete darkness are very good. Wow, I'm very impressed by these flares. There it is. And also highly reflective right here too. Gerber Diesel Multitool. Let's see what it's all about. So, comes with a holster, blackout, so push on that, and I think it should go forward, right? There it is. Wow, this is nice. Okay, there's the wire cutters and the needle nose pliers. Beautiful. Moves a little bit, but it's just nature of the pliers because they slide out. Once it grabs on something, it will not be wiggling much, so that's cool. Okay, there's a locking mechanisms. Let's see. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so we'll open it. Super easy to open anything. Okay, there's a couple of bottle opener, can openers, and there's the scissors. Let's open scissors. Locks in over here, and to fold it back up, just push on that and it'll fold it, and there's scissors assisted. Very cool. Okay, push that and fold it back up, and on this side we have again super easy to open, serrated punches, knife, screwdrivers, files. What else? Yeah, there it is. Beautiful. I really like it how they fold in. There it is. Gerber Diesel Multitool. CRT провок. There's a green. So very cool. It's a carabiner. Boom. The mechanics is really interesting. So there's a locking mechanism. Push it right here, and it will unlock itself. It locks in, boom, popped in, push right here, unlocks, and there it is. per wok. Caswell knives 4041G. This is the model number, US pattern, everything. So how would I hold it? This way I guess, to cut the boxes and stuff, or this way. Very interesting. And again, to fold it back up, press this and fold it back up. I love the design. A very cool looking knife with a green handle. CRT per wok orange. That one is pretty cool. I really like the design and mechanics on it. So we'll be holding it this way and just a little push right here and it'll flick it open. So there's a knife. Open up boxes and so on. Caswell knives. It's a designer, I think. There's a model number 440110. Okay, and per wok. Beautiful. And there's a button to release it. Push that, open it. I can open it that way slowly. Again, very satisfying. And this way. Let's do it one more time. Very cool. Definitely a tight lock on it too. Such a unique design. I really like that a lot. And very smooth too. Spider core tenacious. Let's see. Okay, there's a spider core hole. Just pull on that, open it. Tight locking. There's a designer. So yeah, liner lock. Okay, let's see if I can flick it. With this one I got flick it a little harder. Looks like a spider flick. Let's see. Wow, this one is a little bit tight, so this is partially serrated. Classic, pretty decent big size knife. Okay, let's see if I can flick it. Nope. There it is. Takes a lot of practice with this one. Yeah, but it works. With some knives, spider core knives, it's a little bit easier than the other ones. So yeah, beautiful. Everyday care spider core knife. I like that.